So now look at question number 5. That is from the heights and distance again. The angle of elevation of the top of a hill from a point on the horizontal plane passing through the foot of the hill is found to be 45 degrees. So एक hill है and angle of elevation from the horizontal plane, so that is given as 45 degree. So that's the first statement. Second statement, after walking a distance of 80 meters towards the top up a slope. So this we need to underline it. So here he or she has been walked at a distance of 80 meters towards the top up a slope. So what is the inclination? At an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal plane, and the angle of elevation of the top of the hill becomes 75 degrees. What you need to find out? Then the height of the hill in meters is. No options here. So this is a numerical value based questions. So in this 2020, so one numerical value based question from trigonometric functions. So let's solve it. So now look at the pictorial representation of this question. So what is given? Top of a hill, इसका height आपको find करना है. Angle of elevation from a point on the horizontal plane towards the foot. So what is the angle of elevations given? So let's say this is, so up to here we will take it. Angle of elevation with respect to the horizontal plane. So that is given as 45 degree, right? So let us write it as 45 degrees. So later on I will just rub it. So now after walking a distance of 80 meters towards the top up a slope. So that means I will just rub it for a minute. So here, so let me draw with this. He has moved at a distance of 80 meters with an angle of inclination. So here the angle of inclination is 30 degree and this angle complete is 45 degrees. So what is the distance here? This is 80 meters. 80 meters, and at this point, angle of elevation of the top of the hill becomes 75 degree with respect to the horizontal plane. Okay, so this is the given question, and in this you are supposed to find out the height of the hill. So let us write it as AB is your height of the hill, and so let me make this point as O. So let us write this as point C, point D, so point E. Okay, let's simplify this. So let us see how to start. So let us take this triangle first. एक बड़ा triangle दिख रहा है आपको, triangle OBA. From triangle OBA, look at what is tan 45 degree from triangle OBA. So what is tan 45 degree? So tan 45 degree is equal to AB divided by OB, right? So AB divided by OB, but tan 45 is 1. So this implies 1 is equal to AB divided by OB. So this implies AB is equal to OB. So let us write this as first equation. So मुझे AB find करना है. So that means if you get the length OB, so that is clear. So to get a length OB, I should get OC as well as CB length. Now look at this. I can get OC length by using the sine functions. So by using the sine functions, so look at this triangle. So let me write here. So from triangle OCD, if you look at carefully, so what is the sine 30? Sine 30 degree is equal to, so CD opposite divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, how much it is given? So 80 meters it is given, and sine 30 we know it is 1 by 2. So this is equal to CD divided by 80. So therefore what is the length CD? So the length CD we got it. So that is 40 meters. So the length CD is 40 meters. So let me write here. So this length is 40 meters, and you have to observe the figure carefully. If this length is 40 meters, so this length has to be 40 meters only, right? So let me write this as point F. So FB का length 40 meters है. So to find the height of the hill, already we got FB. So now I should find out AF. So let me make this AF has height h. ठीक है, तो AB क्या हो गया, h plus 40 हो गया. So let me write here AB is h plus 40. So but what is AB? AB is nothing but OB only. So this is from the equation number 1. So therefore this length I will write it as h plus 40. So that's clear. Now I can able to find this length also OC by using cos 30 degree. Again from the same triangle. So if I use cos 30 degree, so base divided by hypotenuse. So the base is OC divided by hypotenuse is 80. But what is cos 30 degree? Which is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to OC divided by 80. So therefore tell me what is OC. So 80 इधर shift करो. 80 by 2 is 40 root 3. So 40 root 3 meters is the length OC. So therefore look at this diagram once again. So this length is 40 root 3 meters. OC का length. If OC length is 40 root 3 meters and the total length is h plus 40, I know what is the length BC. So let us write down here only. So the length BC is nothing but OB minus OC. So what is OB? H plus 40 minus 40 root 3. So hope it is clear up to here. Because I need the length BC, I need the length OC. So now if we get the value of h, we know what is the top of the hill. Okay, so now we got the length BC, so which is very required, because the length BC is nothing but the length FD. So therefore I will write here, so BC is equal to FD, so that is nothing but h plus 40 minus 40 root 3. So now I can apply this triangle. So look at this triangle, right angle triangle. So from the triangle DFA, so observe karo. So tan 75 degree. So what is tan 75 degree? So this is nothing but h divided by, so AF divided by FD. What is FD? FD is h plus 40 minus 40 root 3. So अभी tan 75 degree का वैल्यू आपको पता होना चाहिए. So tan 75 degree is 2 plus root 3 after the simplification of it. So this you should know it. So h divided by h plus 40 minus 40 root 3. So अभी इसको simplify करो. You need to simplify it. So put the terms which is in the denominator, shift it to the left hand side. So what will you get? So 2h plus 80 minus 80 root 3 plus root 3h, right? So plus 40 root 3, so minus 40 into 3. So this is equal to h. तो अभी इसको simplify करो. So just quick simplification of it. So 2h. So now look at this number, 80 minus 120 it is. So 80 minus 120 is, so minus 40. So that's clear. So here root 3h minus 80 root 3 plus 40 root 3. So that is equal to h. Okay. So अभी इसको simplify करो. So यहाँ पे देखो minus 80 root 3 plus 40 root 3. So what will you get? So let us simplify it. So this implies, so 2h minus 40 plus root 3h, यहाँ पे minus 40 root 3 minus h is equal to 0. H is shifted to the left hand side. So 2h minus h is h. So h minus 40 plus root 3h minus 40 root 3. So that is equal to 0. So now I need to get the value of h here. So h को एक साथ ले लो. So h plus root 3h is equal to, shift that side, 40 plus 40 root 3. Now you can tell me what is the value of h. So h common ले लो, 1 plus root 3, 40 common, 1 plus root 3. So 1 plus root 3 get cancels. So divide 1 plus root 3 on both the sides. So therefore the value of h is 40 meters. Now we know what is the top of the hill. So what is the top of the hill? That is 40 plus 40, which is 80 meters, because look at what is the length AB. We are supposed to find out the length AB, which is the top of the hill. So that is given as h plus 40. So therefore AB is equal to 80 meters. So look at the option, which is the right one. So this is quite a very good question from the concept of heights and distance. Thank you.